welcome back. Today we are going to see the program which will convert the first and last characters of each word to the capital letter from a given string. Let us start the program with the comment line. I am going to give the multiple line comments with triple quote. Change first and last characters of every word of the string to capital letters and remaining to small letters. Let me take the input from the user. St is equal to input of the prompt, enter the string. In this program also we are going to work on words. So we need to split the string to words. Stl is equal to st dot split off. I will have one new string nst is equal to an empty string, so that when the process is completed, that word will be added to the nst. Now let us traverse the list of words for I in stl. Now I is word for us. I am going to replace this I first character and last character to the uppercase. So the first character is I of 0. How I am going to change this? I am going to use the replace function. So the word which is I dot replace of first character is I of 0. I am going to replace this character to the same character but uppercase. So I am going to give I of 0 only dot upper of. So now the first character is changed to uppercase, remaining to small, but last to the again upper. We need to have a condition whether it is not first and last, then we need to convert to small. Instead of that, we can do one easy method. As soon as we get the input from the user, that shall be converted to lower case, so that the input shall have dot lower of. So the last character now, I is equal to I dot replace of I of minus 1, comma I of minus 1 dot upper of. Now, once this process is completed, we are going to add with new string nst plus equal to I plus one space we need between the words. So I give one space. Once the for loop is completed, then all the words are added to new string as we needed. Then we will come out of the loop and then print the new string. Print nst. Let us save and execute. The string I am giving is Python is good language. So you could see that as needed we got. Hope you understood this program well. Keep learning Python by watching my videos. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.